The mother cat used to live in our building. It got killed by stray dogs. And after 6 days, 3 kittens emerged. They were absolutely emaciated, starved, full of fleas, and one was completely blind. They were the watchman of our building. He picked them up and he chucked them into another building which is under construction because just to get rid of it because a lot of building residents. So I paid a construction worker to go and rescue them back from the other building, and I was given to them. They were given to me in a cement bag. When I took them to the doctor told me they're 14 days old and survival was a little difficult for them. And after that we've been feeding them on 2-hourly diet, and my dog has helped a lot by looking after them. Now they're about 4 weeks old. They're litter trained. They have started eating on their own. They're healthy little kittens, and they're looking for forever homes.